What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. You guys, I'm here in Dollar Tree in one of the largest locations here in my area. It really is a big store. I mean, at least to me it is. And I'm finding lots of new items already, including lots of new packaging for items that we already know and love. We have brand new packaging, and this is the bonus size of 20% more of VO5 conditioner and also shampoo. These are very fragrant. We also have repackaging of the VO5 Men 3-in-1. These are really, really nice. You get 18 ounces. Gator has tried pretty much all of these and loves them. They smell just pretty like typical to like men's cologne. They smell really nice in my opinion, and I really do love the VO5 brand. We also have this brand new repairing conditioner. Looks like it's trying to be a dupe for what's that brand, you guys? Let me know in the comment. Whole something. No, maybe that's not it. I see it in my head and I know I have some at home. I just cannot think of it, but I know you guys know the one. Honey, royal jelly, and propolis. It's a repairing conditioner. And then we also have this brand new line called Body Organics Tropical Scented Body Wash. It's 20 ounces. The packaging is super cute. And then we have coconut shea butter. I wanted to show you some brushes that I showed at the end of my video. Over here we have this entire cute little collection of bridal brushes. Bride, Team Bride. This one also says Team Bride. So we have a pink and a white brush that says Bride with a gold foil, and then we have these two varieties, and they're just so pretty and cute. Super, super cute. I love that this location always has a lot of cute hair items and makeup. All the butterfly clips are here. You get 4 to a pack. What else? I think these are new. These barrettes, sort of with like a bandana covering. Sweet and happy. That's cute. Oh, the little strawberries. This is my second time seeing the strawberries. Even more. So we have the purple and white, we have the blue and white, and then we have the pink and white. Very summery. Oh, look at these. This is part of the Pride collection. It says Pride, love is love, and they're super silky and nice. We have a variety of colors. Yeah, you guys, these feel so nice. The quality is just a really good, silky, soft quality. Oh, and I just spotted some matching scrunchies to go with the barrettes. These also feel really nice. Super nice. That's cute. Yeah, I like that. Brown and green. That's really cute. I'm not sure if these are new or not. They might be. Snap clips. The matching headbands. Oh, look at these. These are new. Definitely new. These headbands. Yeah. Definitely new. As seen on TV. Secret color headband hair extensions with Demi Lovato on the front. I wonder if it's only pink. I think it's only pink. I'm gonna put a couple in my cart just for fun. I'm gonna think about if I want them or not. kind of interested, kind of curious. Oh, these are kind of cute. I think they're new as well. The little wristlets. They're kind of thin though. A little flimsy. Okay, let's see what's behind me. We still have the big refills. It's so nice and quiet in here. I've been seeing these the last couple times I went into Walgreens. I've been seeing these for, I want to say like $6 each. That's the SB hand soap. The brand is Soapbox. I don't know if we have any other new things over here. Oh, I wanted to show you guys this. This is actually out of place. Let's put it where it belongs. This is the brand new Heat Protect by Salon Selectives. Repairing technology, tropical coconut oil. You get 4 ounces in a bottle. That's a nice find. I like that you get quite a bit of product as well. The stethoscopes are still here. Last time I was in here, I found the brand new unicorn and pineapple sponges. Actually, pineapple sponges. They're so cute, aren't they? We have all sorts of cute little bags. Dreamer. We have sloths. Be happy, let's hang. We have alpacas. All sorts of little bags. Little metallic bag, that one's cute. Little cosmetic bags. This location really does have a lot. Like, they're really, really well stocked. The microfiber hair wraps are here. I think those do a good job. I just really don't like how microfiber feels, to be honest. Like, something about it kind of bugs me. What are these? These are new for the week. Little cosmetic bags. It feels like sort of a cross between a cardboard and a fabric. We also have black and gold, and sort of a cream and gold. Let's see what fell down. Aw, these are so cute. What's this? This is adorable. This reminds me of Pusheen, just a little bit. Aw, those are cute. Really cute. Let's see if I can put these back. What's this? I think this one is new also. It says, Stay Wild. Stay Wild. Ooh, and another one, Stay Wild. Yeah, you guys, lots of new items for the week. Definitely check out my last video if you want to see what's new down the makeup aisle. Of course, I started there. I started with the weekly wow, and I started with the makeup aisle because, you know, those are some of my favorite places to look, especially the makeup aisle. But yeah, you guys, that's it for me down this aisle. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed shopping along with me here in Dollar Tree, or just kind of liked hanging out with me, definitely give this video a thumbs up, show a little love, and let the algorithm know that you liked my content. It really does help out when you guys interact with our videos. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. To everyone that is new and interested in live shopping, I do have live auctions every Thursday night at 8 p.m. So definitely sign up down below. I have a link. It's just a super quick 20-second sign up if you'd like to sign up for live Bunny, Birdie, Gator auctions. But yeah, you guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.